If you have this tool, this particular tool that is displayed in this video, you are not supposed to be broke. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage this tool, ChatGPT and other AI tools, to make nothing less than $100 weekly from the comfort of your home using your smartphone, or if you have access to a laptop, using your laptop. Now, without further ado, let us get right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Titi and I make videos around money making opportunities online from the comfort of your home. So if this looks like the kind of content that you like, please do well to hit the red subscribe button and also give this video a huge thumbs up when you are done watching this video. So let me take you step by step through how you can be able to do this. The first thing that you will need to do is to head over to freelance platforms. There are a lot of freelance platforms, but I'm going to be using Upwork. So guys, you can go onto your phone and just type Upwork, okay? And if you do not have an Upwork account and you live in Nigeria and you're trying to make money online, I feel like you are wrong. You need an Upwork account. If you do not have an Upwork account, at least you should have a Fiverr account, or you should sign up on any freelancing platform, because those are the places that clients post jobs that requires you to use your skills, to be able to do. But in this particular video, you do not need any skill. No skills required. You do not need any skill. You do not need any experience. So all you need to do is to do these things that I am going to be talking about in this video. So we are already on Upwork. Let us click on it over here. I have an account, so I'm definitely going to be signing up with my own account. Okay guys, so exactly this is what my Upwork account looks like. Okay, so if you do not have an account with Upwork, all you need to do is to go and create an account for free. It is completely free, because for you to be able to make nothing less than $200 weekly or even $100 weekly, you will need to have an account with one of these freelance website. Okay, and Upwork is like my favorite. Then another thing you're going to be needing, like I said, is your smartphone. All right, that is all you need. So let us go and look at some jobs description that are over here. I want to show you how you can leverage ChatGPT. You've just had that app on your phone and you only use it to probably do assignments if you're a student, do a few research here and there, but you've not used it before to make money. So I'm going to be showing you in this video. So let us use writing jobs, for instance. So let's just search for writing jobs. Okay, so we just searched for writing jobs. Okay, you guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? So marketing PR assistant, look at what this person is looking for. Script writer for faceless travel video, look at what this person is looking for. All right, script writer for for big self improvement YouTube channel, look at what this person is looking for. Like, there are people out here posting jobs on a daily basis. This one posted this job an hour ago. This one posted this job 55 minutes ago. This one posted this job 49 minutes ago. There are a lot of writing jobs. Now, this is the first thing you are going to do. Let us assume this is the job that we want to bid for. So script writer for a faceless YouTube channel. This is what this person is looking for. We are looking for a skilled and experienced script writer to craft a 3,500 word engaging high retention script for a faceless travel video about the top 20 or similar amazing places to visit in Destin, Florida. The script must captivate viewers, provide valuable insights, and avoid any factual or grammatical errors to ensure audience trust and high retention. The target audience is based in the USA, so attention to detail is critical to avoid mistakes that viewers might notice. So this is exactly what this client is looking for. Now, what you will do first is to head over to your profile. You set up your profile like you are a writer. Now let us head over to ChatGPT. If you have ChatGPT on your phone, I have it downloaded on my phone as the application. You guys, ChatGPT is one of my best applications. Like, it's one of the best applications I have on my phone. I literally ask it for anything and I get responses. So what you will do is to head over to your ChatGPT and you can just write, generate a good profile bio for a script writer on Upwork. Include every important detail that a professional script writer would have. Then you can just say, make it brief but very detailed. Then this is one trick that I use. You can just say, use simple terms to write and do not use machine language. You guys, this is my trick. So when you are done doing this, you just click on send. And then when you do that, are you seeing this? I am a highly skilled scriptwriter with, you can just look, are you looking at this? So this is, it has even gone ahead to write out the key skills that you have. So are you seeing that? So what you will do now is that you look at this particular script that AI has written, and then if there is anything you need to, edit or whatever you feel like you need to add, you can just add. Another way that you can do it is to head over to Upwork, and then you can look out for script writers. Okay, some of the big shots in the niche, you can look out for some of these script writers and look out for what they have on their profile, like some of these details they have on their profile, and you can replicate that while you are setting up your own profile. So all you need to do is that you copy all of this if you are satisfied with the response that you got, and then you head over to Upwork, and then you post that. You make that, you use that to set up your profile. Okay, then you also use a professional picture, a picture that is not so much, you do not, if you are a woman, you do not have so much makeup, just everything mild with a smile on your face. And if you're a guy, of course, you have to look sharp, clean and neat. Okay, so when you're done doing that, you set up your profile for a scriptwriter, you're ready to take on jobs. So you come and take over, look at this particular job details that we had gone through. Okay, when you look at this, you copy this job description, you copy all of it. So let's see how we can copy this. You copy this job description, you copy, and then you head over again to ChatGPT. You head over to ChatGPT and then you type this. Don't forget the job, you just took the job, the way it is, and then you type. So you come down again and just say, do not use machine language. Write in simple terms, but make it very detailed, just like my client, wants. Okay, so let us wait for the prompt. So guys, are you seeing this? Trust me, it is going to generate every single detail that you need, every single detail. And this is it. It is still generating. So when it's done generating, you guys, all you need to do is to sit down, look at it again, and then you can add, do a few editing, add whatever you need to add. And how you can do that is to head over to YouTube, look out for this kind of content on YouTube, and then you can see the important things that they said in the video, the details that they use, the kind of language that they use, and then you can use that to do a little editing. And trust me, editing of this script is not going to take you up to an hour. You would have been done. So that is that for the script. You've generated the job. You are already done with the job that this person is looking for. So what you do is to come over here and bid for this job. Okay, is to come over here and bid for this job. See the number of people that this particular client has hired. Proposal sent less than 5. He hasn't started interviewing anybody yet. So what you do is that you will come and apply for this job. You will click here and apply for this job. For the job, you're going to say, oh, how do I go about applying for the job? Again, go and utilize ChatGPT. You guys, ChatGPT is free. Go and utilize it. You come back again and then you tell it to generate a proposal, or let's say generate a job proposal for the above job description that I sent earlier. Description I sent. Or anyhow you want to put it, just ensure that it is something very detailed that ChatGPT will understand. Okay, so when you do that, it is definitely going to generate it. Okay, dear client, I am excited. Are you seeing this? It is definitely going to generate you. I mean, you can never go wrong with ChatGPT. Again, when it is done generating, what you will do is to go over the proposal script. If you feel like it is too long, I don't like to submit very long scripts, so make sure to tell ChatGPT to make it very brief. Tell it to make it very brief and impute all the details. The reason is because clients may not have so much time to go through all of that, so ensure that you're keeping it short, brief, but very detailed. When you're done with that, you come back to the job details. You have submitted that job proposal and sit pretty and wait for your clients to send you an email for an interview. So you have to keep checking your Upwork. I'm operating it from the app right now, so you have to keep checking it to see when you're going to be getting an invite. So imagine if you do send like 2 to 3 proposals on a daily basis like that. Tell me how you're not going to land a gig. There is no how you're not going to be landing a gig. You are definitely going to land a gig that will make you at least $100 weekly. So that is just how you can use ChatGPT to land jobs. If you go on LinkedIn, you can do the same thing. If you go on Fiverr, you can do the same thing. If you go on even some of these Facebook platforms, you can do the same thing. Well found, all of these freelance websites, if you repeat the same process, you're definitely going to get results. At the end of the week, there is no how you're definitely not going to land a gig. Upwork is one platform that I can say I trust because I have actually gotten a job from here before. I don't know if I can show you guys that. So have you seen this? Have you seen this now? Upwork actually pays. Okay, so it pays. All right, so this is what you are going to be needing. Okay, it is very simple, and I'm sure that these steps are something that you can actually replicate. So guys, this is how you can leverage ChatGPT to make money online on freelance websites. Give me any question that you have down below. That is the much I can do for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got value. Do well to leave me a comment down below. Do well to subscribe, and do well to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.